Novak Djokovic. He's a Belgrade boy.
Yes.
He's born and bred in this city,
Yeah.
and now he's given back this exceptional facility.
Exactly, and that's kind of, he wants to leave this legacy behind where he really wants to give back to the community. He really appreciates what he got out of it, and he really wants to give back to the kids. He understands what he grew up, the condition he grew up in that was very difficult, and so he still sees a lot of talented kids struggling to afford tennis to start with, and then to improve. So he really wants to help out.
I'm watching these two girls here on each side.
Yeah,
there's some serious.
We have a couple of 16-year-old and an 18-year-old girl here that are training, and Andrea and Leontina with our coaches, and they're up and coming juniors that are kind of slowly transitioning into professional tennis. So they're really putting in some good work now. It's like a job. It's like an 8-9 hour day for them, from the morning, the warm-ups, the tennis, the rest, the food and rehabilitation, recovery, all that stuff.
Tá sé iontach an leibhéal agus an caid anseo a eiceal agus siad os mhór a tréinál. Tá siad imreoidh an saol profisiúnta.